Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making groundnut soup. You guys, this is the best way to make groundnut soup. It turned out so delicious. So sit back and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to cook any proteins of your choice, and for that I'm using goat meat and stockfish fillets. I'm going to introduce other proteins later. I'll add seasoning cubes, blended onions. You need good amounts of onions in your groundnut soup. I will add salt. Mix to combine, cover and allow it to cook on its own juice for 10 to 12 minutes. Next, I will blend my groundnut with water, roast my ehuru to enhance the flavor and blend it with the uziza seed and set aside. 12 minutes later, I check on the meat and added the blended groundnuts, ehuru and uziza seed, palm oil and crayfish. You guys, I lost some of the clips, but that is okay. Next, I will add locust beans, blended pepper and dry catfish. I will mix very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I check on the soup and like the consistency. This is the consistency you should be aiming at. Otherwise, the groundnut will overpower the taste and you don't want that. Light is supposed to be light like this. Next, I'll add my grilled mackerel fish and small amount of bitter leaf. I will mix to combine. Taste for salt. Please be careful with salt when making groundnut soup because salt and groundnuts are not friends at all. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, we are done. You guys, this soup turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.